I joined the pre-IB course during my break between the 11th and 12th grade to refresh my basics. Being an ICSE student before, taking MAAHL was a big jump for me because of the advanced topics covered. I realized I lacked the confidence to score well in my math exam, and that's where the pre-IB course helped me learn strategies that can be used while solving different types of questions. With the help of tutorials, I was able to receive exam-based practice and learn from premium resources that my mentors and Ms. Dhingra provided us. The course made me realize how I lacked conceptual understanding for various topics, which is why I wasn't able to apply them in unfamiliar problems. Though I had already completed my 11th grade, this course was so intensive that the notes I made still helped me brush up my skills or understanding of a topic. Having mentors really made the course unique in the sense that they corrected everyone's individual homework, logged in a little early to solve our doubts, and also gave us personalized feedback on our progress. The course also helped me consolidate my ideas for my math IA and also helped me learn writing skills, which saved me from a lot of work and stress during the 12th grade. Now that I have been accepted into Vanderbilt University to potentially study economics, I also look forward to the pre-university course at CourseLeap. Ms. Dhingra has been like a guide to get me back on track while I was lost learning math. She always plans her classes well in advance, makes sure to teach what she aims for, and has instilled in us the importance of note taking. By focusing on the deep analysis of my mistakes and doing her best to make math fun, I have learned values from Ms. Dhingra that I look forward to take with me to university. Thank you.